So today we're going to be taking a look at how you can make an image black and white within Photoshop. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to have our image open in Photoshop. So as you can see here, I just have a nice picture of a squirrel. And what we're going to do is going to want to make sure that layer is selected, just in case you're working on a multiple layer project. Just going to make sure that layer is selected. Then we're going to go to image, adjustments, and in adjustments you're going to see black and white, and you see you get a default black and white there, but in this drop down menu there are other options that you can use. So you can have a darker black and white, you can have like a green filter. If we just go back to default, all these different sliders that you can use, so we can make the reds more dark, we can make the yellows more light if we wanted. That's just an extreme version. Personally I quite like just like the default. You just click OK to apply that, and yeah, that is how you make an image black or white in Photoshop. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.